Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to walk you through common vacuum and mop maintenance for the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, on the top of the vacuum, just wipe this down every once in a while. Most of the maintenance for the top will be with the lid removed, revealing the dustbin, which is washable. They even have your care instructions directly on the dustbin itself. You can wash the filter, the bin itself. So just rinse this out every once in a while just to keep it in perfect shape and give it enough time to dry 24 hours before you install and use it again. Inside here, just keep an eye if there's ever anything that's starting to build up. You can just wipe that away. So that's going to be the very top of the unit. Let's start at the side now, looking at the very front with their AI Smart Sight sensor suite. You can wipe that down with a microfiber cloth if you notice dirt and debris starting to accumulate, or if it's running funny. We can look along the side. This is where it self-empties. If you ever have any hair, you can just pull that away. Looking on the back side, charging contacts there. We can pop open the water tank here. So this is very easy to wash and clean, and it just opens right up like so. You can rinse that out, wipe down inside as needed, and that just pops right back in place. Moving along, another sensor on the side to keep an eye on. And then we have our Maxi Reach brush. This is replaceable. So looking at that from the underside, you can swap that brush out once it's worn out. You have some more sensors you can keep an eye on to wipe down. Same with the wheels. If you notice anything starting to accumulate, you can just rotate those around and clean as needed. I like to use a toothbrush to clean those personally. Same with the main omnidirectional wheel. Looking at the detangling duo brush, this cover is removable and washable. We have the two brushes here. They give you replacement brushes. You have plenty of accessories in this kit to swap out without having to buy anything extra to start, which is great. These can be cleaned, detangled, but usually the hair will go right down as it's supposed to into there. Wipe that down. It's color coded too, so it's pretty easy to reinstall. And then for this, just line it up and it snaps back in place. Now they have instructions here too, showing you how to remove the mop assembly. So there's a little push button on the side, so you can push that in. And then you'll notice the whole thing just comes right out. So if you want to give this a sturdier wash, whatever you want to say that, you could throw this in your washing machine if you really wanted to. Chances are it'll be fine with what this is able to do. And then it's just easy to swap this out with a fresh new roller once it's worn out or completely stained, things like that. You get the idea. And in here, there's really not much to do. You could wipe the inside down. Just keep an eye on that. Along the sides, you'll notice some stuff start to build up. Maybe a little bit in here internally, but really not bad at all. Same thing, you can put that back on. Just line it up, put it back in place, and again, there you go. So very easy to get access to that roller and do what you need to do to get that clean. But wait, there's more. We have our fluffing roller here that we can remove as well too. So just take the main roller out, this guy right there. Go ahead, you can just gently press and it comes out. So you can clean that down and wipe down in there. And then it just very gently goes right back on. And last but not least, you get access to the roller cover. If you want to clean that, there's a little toggle switch right here. Push it towards the wheel. And now you can just very gently pull this cover out. So there's the cover. It is removable. You can wash and clean that as needed. And then you just line it up with this little guy here. Getting it situated back in just takes a minute. So make sure you have it lined up. And then it goes right back in, which is what we have there. And then this little guy, you can pull it back down. So, and I even did that wrong there. I didn't get it started on that side. So line up both sides. There we go. And then it just goes right back in, and then you can pull that back down. So that cover is removable too. Again, everything's very simple and straightforward to clean and maintain on your Mova Z60 robot vacuum and mop.